Hello children, good morning. Children, today in English we shall be writing the notes of Unit 8, Letter to Kalam. Every one of you all open English classwork and write down this heading on the pink line. Roman 1, spell words. First one. Astha, A-A-S-T-H-A, Astha. Second one, teasing, T-E-A-S-I-N-G. Third one, identify, I-D-E-N-T-I-F-Y, identify. Fourth one, Abida, A-B-I-D-A, Abida. Fifth one, helping, Y-E-L-P-I-N-G, helping. Sixth one, reduced, R-E-D-U-C-E-D, reduced. Seventh one, passers by, P-A-S-S-E-R-S, passers by, B-Y, by. Eighth one, involved, I-N-V-O-L-V-E-D, involved. Ninth one, wet, V-E-T, wet. Tenth one, wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R-E-D, wonder. 11th one, shiver, S-H-I-V-E-R, shiver. 12th one, reprimand, R-E-P-R-I, M-A-N-D, man, reprimand. Next one, statement, S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T, statement. 14th one, stance, S-T-A-N-C-E, stance. 15th one, opinion, O-P-I-N-I-O-N, opinion. Next one, sixteenth one, grasp, G-R-A-S-P, grasp. 17th one, valiant, V-A-L-I-A-N-T, valiant. 18th one, courageous, C-O-U-R-A-G-E-O-U-S, courageous. 19th one, shimmering, S-H-I-M-M-E-R-I-N-G, shimmering. 20th one, postpone, P-O-S-T, post, P-O-N-E, postpone. 21st one, scribbling, S-C-R-I-B-B-L-I-N-G, scribbling. 22nd one, hurriedly, H-U-R-R-I-E-E-D-L-Y, hurriedly. 23rd one, disbelief, D-I-S, dis, B-E-L-I-E-F, belief, disbelief. 24th one, distrust, D-I-S, dis, T-R-U-S-T, trust, distrust. 25th one, lurch, L-U-R-C-H, lurch. So 25 spell words you need to write once in classwork, twice in the homework. Now in the textbook you have meanings. From here you copy down page number 48. So first one is reprimand, a strong statement of disapproval or rebuke. That means not accepting anything. Now stance, somebody's standpoint or somebody's opinion is known as stance. Grasp, to get the idea, understand or hold quickly. Suddenly if we got an idea, that is known as a grasp. Yelping, a sharp cry generally of pain or alarm. Helping means crying very sharply to call for the help. Vet, an animal doctor. Nevertheless, however, or in spite of. Panting, to breathe quickly. Valiant, courageous. Shimmering, shining. Panting means to breathe quickly, faster breathe. That is known as panting. Valiant means very courageous, having lots of courage. Shimmering means shining. Postpone, to put off some work. That means thinking to do something for the other time. Scribbling, to write something hurriedly. When we scribble fast when we write, that is known as scribbling. Next one, disbelief, distrust or unable to believe is known as disbelief. Lurch is tossed, flipped. Now after that, in 48 and 49 we have some words. A bit, see children from here, in these words, in these sentences, each sentence have one word mistakenly written. So what is that word? You have to underline and write down. See, in the first one, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Remaining all words are correct, but Everest spelling is wrong. Okay, that Everest spelling you have to write it down correctly. So this is completely homework part. First one I am explaining you all. E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest. Okay? Everest spelling is that one, but he gave E-V-A-R-E-S-T. One letter is wrong. Now, Partha has invited us to his house for lunch. So, I think here invited spelling is wrong. You have to underline it and write it down correctly. We are leaving for Trivandrum tomorrow. Tomorrow word is wrong. The spelling is wrong. Write down correct spelling. Now, Ginny's grandfather gave us some valuable advice. Advice spelling is wrong. Okay. Next one. Prakash has a very good hold over grammar. Grammar spelling is wrong. The tall mango tree in our garden has stopped bearing mangoes. Stop, the spelling is wrong. Now, Ria is the national level badminton champion. Champion spelling is wrong. So, underline and write the correct word beside to this sentence. Now, coming to the B point. Arrange the given set of words in the right order as they would appear in a dictionary. So, here you need to take the help from the dictionary. He gave some 5 to 6 words in each sentence, in each line. So, these words we have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. Like S-T-O-R-M, strong, S-T-R-E-A-M, stream, S-T-R-A-I-N, strain, S-T-R-E-E-T, street, S-T-R-O-B-E, stroke, S-T-R-O-O-O-L-L, stroll. So here, which letter come first? O or R or here remaining all are third letter is R only except O. So O will come first or R will come first. You look and you do it. Arrange it neatly and write down in the classwork. These all words have to be copied in the classwork. Okay children. First one I will show to you all. Children, here in for this A bit, fourth one, advice is correct only. Valuable spelling is wrong. I told you mistake. Sorry, here valuable spelling is wrong. Okay, instead of A-B-L-E, he gave E-B-L-E. Next, in the B bit, I am going to tell you the first one. First one, storm, S-T-O-R-M, storm. Next comes strain, S-T-R-A-I-N, strain. Okay. Next comes stream, S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. Next comes street, S-T-R-E-E-T, street. Next comes S-T-R-O-B-E, stroke. Next S-T-R-O-L-L, stroll. You see here, S-T-O-R-M, storm. Okay. After O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and O. After O, P will come. After P, R will come. O, P, Q, R. After Q, R will come. So, O has come. Anyhow, these letters ST are common. So O will come, then R. After R is a common thing for everyone. Every word you see here. R is common. R letter, third letter have become common from the second word. Okay. Then going to the next letter, fourth letter. See here. A. Okay. Here A is coming, then E. After A, E will come. Then again E is repeating here. Then when we are going to the fourth letter, after E, O will come. Here fourth letter O only. Okay. The fifth letter word he did not give anything. So in this way you have to arrange all the words in the B bit. Now let's write the question answers. So in the question answers, out of 8, we do not have second one and eighth one, children. Second and eighth one are not required. Only 6 question answers we have copied on the first question. What were the things that Asta could not stand? This will be Roman number 3 question answers. After this question answers only you need to write the, what I said? These words. These words, putting them Roman number 4. So what were the things that Asta could not stand? She could not stand. She was an animal lover, first of all. Asta, A-A-S-T-H-A. Asta was an animal lover, full stop. Animal lover, full stop. She could not stand people. That means she could not stand means what? She could not be quiet. People beating or teasing animals. Okay? Asta was an animal lover. She could not stand people beating or teasing animals. Full stop. Next question. Next. See, third one you have to copy as second question. Okay. Third question you have to copy as number 2, second one. So, third question is, when did Asta and Abida notice the dog helping in pain? Again I am telling children, second question is not there. You have to copy third one as second one. Okay? When did Asta and Abida notice the dog helping? So here, one evening when they were returning from the playground. One evening, Asta was returning, R-E-T-U-R-N-I-N-G, returning from the nearby playground with her friend, who was the friend? Abida. Friend, comma, Abida will write, I am writing the, continuing the answer up. Full stop. They saw a dog helping in pain. Okay. One evening Asta was returning from the nearby playground with her friend Abida. They saw a dog helping in pain. Now copy down fourth question as third one. What is that question? What did Asta and Abida do when no one came to help them? So what did they plan? When no one came, what they did? When no one came to help, when no one came to help them, both the girls were reduced to tears. They started crying. They reduced to tears. Tears. Okay? When no one came to help them, both the girls were reduced to pain. Now copy down fifth question as fourth one. Why did the girls not call their parents for help? Why did they not call their parents? The girls did not call their parents for help because their homes was far and the parents busy at work. The girls did not call their parents for help because their home was far and I'm writing this answer up. Their parents, because their home was far and parents busy at work. So if they are going to their home also, their parents are not there to come and help them. That's the reason they did not call their parents. Now copy down sixth question as fifth one. Who came to help the two girls? Copy sixth question as fifth question. Who came to help them? Few passers by. After some time, few passers by came to help the two girls full stop. Then Astha's father also came, right? Astha's father finally helped them. Astha's father finally helped them take the dog to the vet. Who is vet? Animal doctor. Okay, children. Few passers-by came to help the two girls. Astha's father finally helped them take the dog to the vet. Now copy down seventh question as sixth one. Why did Abida accompany Astha and her father to the vet? Why did it Abida? So why Abida did not come to the doctor with Astha and Astha's father? Because she was standing there and taking care of the little puppies. Sixth question, children. Copy down 7th as 6th question. She stayed back. She stayed back to. She stayed back to take care of the puppies okay. She stayed back to take care of the puppies. So anyhow, last question is not there, children, because he is asking the brief explanation. He is asking us to give the brief explanation. That's what we are taking out that question from our question answers. How his father felt when he thought of like how he helped. From that day, he himself started being friendly to the animals and being friendly to the people who were helping to the animals. Now turn the page, page number 50. Answer the following questions with the reference to the contest. This is not there. This completely we do not have. Extended. Now grammar link anyhow you will be getting the grammar link. And page number 52 here we have to write a letter. Okay, write a letter to your friend inviting him, her or her to dinner at your house on Christmas Eve. This is complete your homework part. You have to write a letter to your friend, okay, calling her to dinner on the Christmas Eve. Anyhow, in the next video I will be showing you all to write down, but first you try to write, then we shall see. Now here I will be telling you all my favorite leaders. Then you have to write down in the classwork only the favorite leaders, like they can be any sports person or any freedom fighters, any politicians who have a great image, how they help the other people. Okay, 5 names you write it down. Okay, children. So we shall be getting back in the next class where we will be writing the letter. A ruler also you can write, a freedom fighter, a ruler, a politician and community worker. Anyone who have helped the other people. Okay? Take care, children. Bye-bye.